Alright everybody, if you are looking for a ridiculous amount of storage and enough sleeping to host an army at your campsite, then the all-new Pioneer BH322 may be for you. Alright, now before we go inside, outdoor kitchen with a griddle, not a burner. We are here in the back of the coach. Right off the bat, you've got the teddy bear bunk system. You've got two of them mounted at 200-pound rating capacity. Below you see a giant queen-size bed. This will fold up into a day bed to give you more floor space when you're preparing to go to camp, and you can unload very easy and quickly from this pack and play door. Very, very, very innovative. You've got two windows, both which open, so you don't have to tax that AC. This comes prepped with 50 amp service, so all you have to do is go to the dealership when you look at this floor plan, tell them you would like to add another AC, and it's already been wired and prepped. You have a massive pantry. What I like about this, it can be customized to your needs. If you want to convert this into a very large closet, you can do so. You got a nice reefer here. This is the 8 cube LP version, so this is going to be ideal for when you're dry docking and you don't need to rely on shore power. You have a very nice chalk surface here, a doodle board if you will. This is a great two-door fridge for you to utilize for you and your family. Let's look at the counter. It is nice, it is bright, it is white, and it is not a pressed countertop. This is solid surface, folks. You have a double-barreled sink, very, very nice. What I love, the personal touches. The cabinets, they're very, very large. By having these mounted up so high, you can utilize the entire counter space. Also, you're blessed with a very nice large window, not only for natural light, but again, that cross breeze. You're gonna have a microwave, a 3-burner stove with a glass countertop. That's gonna allow you to extend that counter space from everything that's coming in and out of the refrigerator. Below the sink, you've got a wonderful spot to finally put that trash can. Didn't always have that in years past, so nice to see that integrated here. You've got nice pull-out, easy accessible shelves. They are lined, so they just look very, very good. They don't look raw and unnatural. Very light in color, neutral tones, and a wonderful look for 2021. Here in the slide out of this coach, you've got a nice U-shaped dinette. Very, very functional because this will collapse and utilize another space for your guests to sleep in the evenings. Along this entire slide, you have two gigantic, not really big, but really big windows here, and they both open, and then you also have one on the south side of your slide as well. So just giving you a lot of open space, a lot of natural light, and a lot of airflow from Mother Nature. Here in this jackknife sofa, it is convertible. If you have some other guests that come, you fold that up, now we will seat 3. If you need storage, you simply lift this up. There is storage underneath this jackknife sofa. And you need to have another place for guests to sleep. Now you have another location for your guests to sleep. In this floor plan, this will be prepped and wired for a TV. You mount it right here. What will come standard is this nice built-in with the integrated fireplace. This radio makes your life as a parent very, very easy. Why? Because not only does it have Bluetooth, pass-through USB, it also has pass-through HDMI. You simply take the device that they're using, whether it's a PlayStation 5, for example, you take the HDMI cord, you plug it here in the front face of the radio, and it will pass through and it will stream on the TV. Closets on both sides of the nightstand. You have nightstands on both sides of a true 60 by 80 queen size bed. You have a large shelf that goes the whole length of the 60 inches. What I love here that they've integrated is on each closet, you've got not only lighting, you also have outlets, you have these large pass-through bays to access everything that you need to. You have storage underneath this queen size bed. It's all isolated and blocked off. It will not pass through like other models you see. If you guys want more information about this Pioneer floor plan, continue your search, continue reaching out to us at heartlandrvs.com. We want to continue supporting you and our authorized dealers in your buying process. Thanks, everybody.